I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle.
Hello my loves, today I have yet again another makeup tutorial for you guys. Now I honestly do not know what I'm going to call this makeup look because like I said, I just sit down and I look at my palettes and it just comes to me while I'm filming. I know it's so weird because sometimes people plan these and I don't really plan them. I kind of just sit there and I just come up with something right off the bat. That's what happens when Sam films makeup tutorials. Sometimes I do plan them, but lately it's just been, you know, right off my head. I mean, I don't really know. But guys, can we talk about my new hair? Now, we were going to change the color. I'm not going to tell you guys what I was going to change it to yet because that's still coming. But it ended up coming out like this. And my sister was like, you know, she's in cosmetology, so she's like, everyone's going crazy for this mint hair. And I was like, you know what? I am feeling it. So let's keep this for a bit. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this here, but give it a thumbs up if you guys like this hair color because like I said, I'm really feeling it. I just love it. It's vibrant, it's fun, it's Sam. So no more jade green hair. It is now mint green. So yeah, I mean, I can never just choose a hair color. I'm surprised I kept the jade green so long because I just really took the green. I love the green here. So now it's mint and then I will change it later, but I won't tell you guys. I will keep that a surprise. And guys, let me know how you like this video because I did not decide to do a voiceover this time. I just typed like little captions above the clips. So if you guys like it that way, let me know. If you do not like it that way and you guys want me to go back to voiceovers, just let me know. I'm always trying out different things, but you guys have to let me know if you guys are liking it or you're not liking it because, you know, I go off of your opinions. And also, thank you guys so much for being so active with me on social media lately. Keep on following me. I do interact with you guys a lot on there. You guys are so sweet. And I did go live like 2 times and that was a hit because you guys really loved that and I had a blast doing that, and things are not edited on live, so you get to see me be weird, fumble, and mess up all the time. And not that I don't do that in my videos anyway. But let's keep this intro short and let's get right into this video.
take your name and number, let your head erase and walk away. I get a little bit nervous around you, get a little bit stressed out, and I think about you, get a little excited.
Babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and guys, if you recreate this look, please tag me in photos. I love to see when you guys recreate my looks. You guys do a really amazing job and I think it looks fantabulous. Fantabulous? I watch The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody too much. I think I got that from London Tipton. Don't mind me and my weirdness. But like I said, if you guys do recreate these looks, tag me in pictures because I really do like to see your recreations. And until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
I found